Exercise 1.4, the question is visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. So write number line like there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The given number 3.765 is greater than 3 and lesser than 4. So our numbers lie between 3 and 4. So cut it in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This first part is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6 and here is 3.7. 3.7 and 3.8. This is 3.7 and this is 3.8. So this is magnified. These two lines are magnified by magnifying glass, magnified in wider range. Say from here to here. This is 3.7 and this is 3.8. This 3.7 is represented at this point and this 3.8 is represented at this point. Again, divide this line in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. So our number is 3.76. This is 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75 and this is 3.76. 3.76 and this number is 3.77. Our number belongs between 3.76 and 3.77. So these two numbers are magnified to show at wider line. Let 3.76 multiplied to get here this point 3.76 and 3.77 get here. This is 3.76 and this is 3.77. Again divide this interval into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 3.761. This is 3.762, 3.763, 3.764 and this is 3.765. This point is 3.765. This is your answer.
Question number 2 from exercise 1.4 is visualize 4.26 up to 4 places of decimal by successive magnification. So we have write 4.26 up to 4 places of decimal by repeating 26 two times. This number lies between 4 and 5. It means the number is greater than 4 and smaller than 5. So first we magnify this 4 and 5 and take it at larger wide range. So this is 4 and this is 5. Divide the interval between 4 5 into 10 equal parts. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then we take first digit 4.2. So our number is greater than 4.2 and lesser than 4.3. Therefore, this is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.2. This is 4.2. This is 4.3. So magnify this interval in wider range. This is 4.2. This point is 4.2 is there, and this is 4.3. Now take another digit 4.26. Here 4.2 is can be written as 4.20 and 4.30. Divide this interval into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first part is 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, and this is 4.26. The given number is greater than 4.26 but lesser than 4.27. So magnify this number into wider range. The first end is get here magnified. It is 4.26 and this is 4.27. Right here 0 and 0. Divide the whole interval into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This first point is 4.261, 4.262, and 4.263. So the given number is greater than 4.262 and lesser than 4.263. So magnify this 4.262, this is 4.262, and this is 4.263. Now this end is 4.263. Now divide the interval into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 4.263 and put here 0 and this point is 4.262621. This point is 4.2620. This point is 4.2621. This is 4.2622. This is 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2626. This is our required point. This point should be highlighted. This is 4.2626.